Okay, good morning students. Today our chapter is tenses. Today's chapter is tenses. Today I will discuss about the tense. So first we know that what is tense. Tense equal time. Tense equal time means it's belong the time, that is when anything is happening or happened or it will happen, like this type of words, how we will recognize, how we will just identify, how we will make this sentence about this tense. So this is the tense. First we know you are having simple present tense. Present, actually tense is divided in three parts, that is present, past and future. Present, past and future. Present means now, past already done and future will come. Tense is divided into, this part is dividing into three, like present, past and future. So present means now what I am talking or doing, past is already done and future it will do. So like this we just divide it. It's present tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for action that happen regularly or are universal truth. See, this is the very important, this one, the simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is used for actions that happen regularly or universal truth, like the suns are signs. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The sky is blue in color. The sky is blue in color. These things, it is a universal truth. I brush my teeth every day. So it is, we are doing every day, regularly we are doing. This type of words or sentence are called that simple present tense. And simple past. Present, past and future I told, simple past tense. What is simple past? Past means the past form of the verb is used for actions that happen before the time of speaking. The past form of the verb is used for actions that happened before the time of speaking. Simple past refers to an action that was completed in the past or was a past habit. Simple past. Simple past. What is simple past tense? The simple past tense refers to an action that was completed in the past or was a past habit. Like my grandfather drank 2 cups of tea every day. My grandfather drank 2 cups of tea every day. This type of tenses we will use. So first we do the first one. Read the given passage and fill in the blanks using the present form of the verb given in the brackets. First we read this one. Air does a mixture of many gases. It does about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Animals dash to breathe in air in order to get oxygen. Oxygen does the food with their body and does energy for various activities. Water animals dash oxygen from water. Microbes like amoeba through their body surface. Insects breathe through their Squirrels, birds, reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. When we breathe, we dash in fresh air. We dash this inhaled air, the air that we breathe out, called exhaled air. Exhaled air is warmer and more carbon dioxide. Human beings dash fresh air to breathe. See number 1. Here the answer is air is a mixture of many gases. It contains about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Animals need to breathe in air in order to get oxygen. Oxygen dash the food. Oxygen burns the food within their body. Burns their body. And number 5 is releases energy for various activities. Water animals dash oxygen from water, derive oxygen from water. Microbes like amoeba dash through their body surface. Number 7, breathe. Number 7, the answer is breathe. Through their body surface, insects breathe through their squirrels, birds, reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. When we breathe, we dash. When we breathe, we call. This inhaled air. When we breathe, number 8, there one options are there, sorry. When we breathe, we take in fresh air. We call this inhaled air the air that we breathe out. Breathe out is called exhaled air. Exhaled air is warmer and dash. That is has warmer and has more carbon dioxide. Human beings require fresh air to breathe. C. Number B, fill in the blanks using simple past and past continuous form of the verb given in the brackets. Fill in the blanks using simple past and past continuous form of the verb given in the brackets. Here one passage is there. Karan dash a song yesterday. He dash for the school function. Sushil dash too much even yesterday. He dash a novel. They always dash first, but they dash slowly. Then look, father dash the car. The baby dash because he was hungry. So see, here the options are: Karan sang a song yesterday. Karan sang a song yesterday. He dashed for the school function. He was singing. He was singing for the school function. Sushil dash. Sushil read too much. Even yesterday he was reading. He was reading a novel. They always walked fast, but they were walking slowly. Then look, father dash the car. Father repaired the car. The baby dash because he was hungry. The baby dash because he was hungry. The baby was crying. The baby was crying because he was hungry. Salma generally spoke in Hindi, but yesterday she dashed in English. Was speaking, but yesterday she was speaking in English. So students, in this B options, they are fill in the blanks using simple past and past continuous form of the verb given in the brackets. So what is simple past? Simple past means, what is simple past tense? I already told that simple past means what is done. So here the simple past tense refers to an action that was completed in the past or was a past habit. The simple past tense refers to an action that was completed in the past or was a past habit. So here in these things we are having need to that past continuous also. What is past continuous tense? The past continuous tense describes actions that continued for some time in the past. What is past continuous tense? That is, the past continuous tense describes actions that continued for some time in the past. That is, continued for some time in the past. Like we use was or were with that verb in ing, form of the verb to form the past continuous tense. So like this only we have completed these things. Next you see C. Fill in the blanks with the suitable tense forms from the given options. Suitable tense forms from the given options. Please dash quiet, I am trying to read. Here the answer is please be quiet. Please be quiet, I am trying to read. I often dash basketball after school. I often played basketball after school. My brother does volleyball, but he did not like basketball. My brother liked volleyball, but he did not like basketball. Number 26. The sun dash and the birds dash. What a beautiful day it was. The sun shone and the birds sang. This one is C. So the sun shone and the birds sang. What a beautiful day it was. 27. My father is very late these days. My father working. My father is working very late these days. I am dash French since I lived in Paris for a long time. I am speaking French. I am speaking French since I lived in Paris for a long time. 29. The train is dash hurry up. The train is dash hurry up. The train is leaving. Hurry up. You dash that it was my mother's birthday yesterday. You forgot that it was my mother's birthday yesterday. This is the C. Choose the correct options to complete each sentence. Choose the correct options to complete each sentence. Sarah does coffee, but she does like tea. Sarah likes coffee, but she does not like tea. Number 32. I dash my project file. Please don't disturb. Here I am reading my project file. Please don't disturb. 23. We dash the rent last Monday. We paid the rent last Monday. We paid the rent last Monday. Why does you lend me your textbook? Why does you lend me your textbook? I really needed it. I did not you lend me your textbook. Why did not you lend me your textbook? I really needed it. Number 35. My grandmother does to temple every day in the morning. My grandmother does to temple every day in the morning. My grandmother goes to temple every day morning. My grandmother goes to temple every day in the morning. So students, in this 10th chapter we have so many syllabus, but in these questions having so little bit, so whatever you have need, I just discussed that thing only. So you practice that thing only. Here only the present form and simple past and past continuous in your syllabus only. So I have discussed that thing only, but in the 10th chapter they are having so many things. You practice it carefully. Okay students, for today till now.